Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're gonna be learning the short summary of the chapter Binda. So basically Binda was the author's childhood friend. Her mother had died during her childhood and her father had remarried. Thus her childhood was spent under the strict supervision of her stepmother and her harsh punishment. Binda's stepmother was called Panditan Chachi by everyone. Binda's daily routine and course kept on ticking like the hands of a clock. Her vocabulary did not contain the words such as rest or leisure. When it was summer or winter, Binda had to do the chores of the household day and night. Then she had to serve her stepmother. If Binda was out of the sight even for a few minutes, her stepmother would roar as lioness and Binda would shiver like a fawn. Binda's stepmother would scold her for the smallest things. That was not all. She would shower Binda with very nasty swear words and abuses. The author was also of Binda's age and could not understand Binda's painful story. The author would not do any of the household chores and yet her mother would never scold her. However, Binda would work day and night like an ox in the fields and still receive abuse at the end of the day. The author's young mind could not understand her friend's situation. One moonlit night, Binda was looking up at the stars and told the author that her mother had become a star up in the sky. The author, upon returning home, told her mother to never become a star. She told her mother to stay with her always. The author's mind was shocked to hear this. Binda was struck by smallpox. Her parents left her on a cot in the courtyard and began to live in the upper section of the house. Binda would lie alone on the cot. Binda lay on the cot, groaning and crying in pain for many days. One day, suddenly, the author found out that Binda had gone to meet her mother up in the sky. The image of Binda's sad face remained imprinted in the minds of the author. She could never forget her poor friend Binda.